Hey, I don't know about you, but when it comes to one of these small carpet extractors, I don't care if it's the most expensive name out there or if it's a cheap name. As long as it sprays water and extracts it, that's the job at hand. So let's take a look at this. This is going to be the compact model that I got here. It's super easy to use. It's all self-contained. I have my water in my cleaner right here. This is my dirty water tank over here. Plugs into any standard 120 volt outlet. Just hit the power button and it's going to be good to go. We've got a pretty nasty stain right here on the Outlander emblem. Let's go ahead and turn this on and get it wet. We got it good and wet. There's actually going to be a scrub brush on the bottom of it, so I'm going to pop the extracting head off of it. That way it's not sucking right now, and I can just sit there. We'll really scrub this, get all of that dirt, all that debris directly out of there, and all I have to do is squeeze this trigger right here to put more water on it. Once I have that scrubbed out and we think we're ready to extract it, I'm just going to put my extractor back on the end of the wand, and look at all that nasty grime coming out of that carpet. This is going to be the Vevor carpet extractor. It's super easy to pull all those stains, all that grime out of your floor mat, out of your upholstery, or maybe you just want to have something around to spot clean for carpets or pets at home. If you want to grab one of these, Vevor actually has some great deals running on them right now. I'm going to go ahead and leave you that orange shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. You can pick one up there.